If you're looking to purchase a handheld fan, your best bet is to go with a model from Jisulife. Jisulife is a brand of handheld fan that is the most sold on Amazon. And these are two of its popular models. This is the Jisulife Life 8 Plus and this is the Jisulife Life 4. And in this video, I'll be comparing these two fans for you, so for you to be able to choose one of these two fans depending on your needs. And I have a big surprise for you in this video. I'll be performing a highly advanced technological test using a very sophisticated machine, which is this one. So I'm gonna put the fan here and see which fan it will blow the paper further. So let me now show you the fans up close and tell you about their specifications and their differences. So the main difference between these two fans is their form factor. The Jisulife Life 8 Plus folds like this, very small, whereas the Life 4 doesn't fold and it has enclosed blades, whereas the Life 8 Plus has exposed blades. Now the battery in the Life 4 is 5000 mAh. It lasts up to 17.5 hours on the slowest speed, and on the fastest speed it lasts only 3.5 hours. And in the Life 8 Plus, the battery is 4500 mAh. It lasts 37 hours on the slowest speed and 20 hours on the fastest speed. Now, talking about the speeds, the Life 4 has 5 speeds, whereas the Life 8 Plus has only 3 speeds. Let me show them to you. One press, it will go to speed 1. Second press, speed 2. And third press, it will go to speed 3. Now, the Jisulife Life 4, one press, it will show you first here on its LCD display, by the way, that the Life 8 Plus doesn't have first the battery level and then the speed. This is speed 1, speed 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now noise-wise, on the 5th speed, this is so noisy, and on the 3rd speed, this one is a little bit noisy. It's not too noisy. You see also that the blades on the Life 4 are much smaller than the blades on the Life 8 Plus. Now, being a fan that is enclosed, it will protect your fingers here, whereas this one, if you touch it, it will stop automatically. But be very careful, because if you have long hair, your hair might be tangled in it here. Now, also a big difference between the two fans is that on top of it being a fan, it has a power bank, and also it has a flashlight. To turn it on, you press and hold the power on off button, and do the same to turn it off. The Life 4 has only one function, and it is the fan. Now, Jisulife says that the Life 4 is a self-standing fan, which is true if you don't turn it on, and they say also that the Life 8 Plus is a self-standing fan. So if you put the Life 8 Plus even on the fastest speed, it will stay stable. But if you put the Life 4 on speed 4 or 5, it will fall because of the power of the fan. So let me show you. This is speed 1, it's still standing. Speed 2, still standing. 3, it becomes a little bit wobbly. 4, it might fall. This is 4, it is wobbling a bit. And this is 5. Oh, and on the 5th speed, and sometimes on the 4th speed, it will just fall, because of the pushing of the air against the atmosphere here. So it is not true that it is a freestanding fan on speeds 4 and 5. Now, an important aspect of handheld fans is also the weight of these fans. So the Life 4 is 225 grams, whereas the Life 8 Plus is 181 grams. So also, because this fan folds like this, it is much more portable than the Life 4, and it is smaller. Now, let me perform the highly scientific test for you. I'm gonna bring the machine here, and the purpose of this test is to see how much this paper will be blown by the fan on all speeds. Let's start with the Life 8 Plus. So this is speed 1, speed 2, and speed 3, and it is really powerful. Let's try now the Life 4. So this is the same distance and the same position. This is speed 1. It's not as powerful as the Life 8 Plus on speed 1. Speed 2 is not bad. Speed 3, it's powerful. 4, it might fall now. 5. I need to hold it so it doesn't fall. And it's fairly powerful also on the 5th speed. Now, what fan should you choose and why? First, if you have long hair, without any hesitation, you need to go with the Life 4. Otherwise, your hair might be tangled in this one. Second, if you want an LCD screen, this one has an LCD screen that shows you the battery level, and then also it will show you the fan speed. It is, a nice to have. It's not essential, but some people like it. Now, if you want also an emergency power bank and a flashlight, go with the Life 8 Plus. And in my opinion, the Life 8 Plus is better in almost all the aspects, unless you have long hair. So it is more quiet, it has bigger blades, it has more functions than the Life 4. If you want to check out any of these fans, I'm gonna leave affiliate links in the description. If you make a purchase using my links, I'll gain a small percentage at no cost to you, and this will support my channel. And if you liked my highly advanced technological device, subscribe to my channel so to see more devices like this in the future. I want to thank you all for watching. I'm Eloy from Stuff Around the House. See you in the next video.